Hi guys, my name is Tia. I'm the owner of Sprayaway Solutions. I'm here today in Sheffield on this beautiful sunny day. We're going to be cleaning a semi-detached property, a concrete drive and a decking area. To start off with, we're going to be cleaning the decking and then we're going to move on to the concrete drive. By looking at it, it needs a chemical treatment, so you're going to see us apply a chemical treatment to this area. We're going to be using the full V-TUF setup. The machine that I'm using today is the Honda GX390. It's 4,350 PSI, 15 litres per minute, 300 bar and 13 horsepower. To start off with, we're going to be cleaning the decking area. We're going to be using a fan nozzle to clean this, giving it a light pressure clean. There's no deep stains in there, so we should be able to get it nice and clean with the fan nozzle on our lance. Let's get cracking, guys. Okay guys, we've just finished cleaning the decking and now we're on to the concrete drive. To start off with, we're going to use the lance to blow off the excess off the top. We're then going to use the turbo nozzle to give it a nice deep clean. Once we've done the deep clean, we're going to wash it all down, apply a chemical treatment, which you're going to see me do. It's nice and foamy, and then we're going to scrub it in, leave it for 10 minutes and wash it off and see what the results look like. Okay, so we've cleaned the concrete drive, we've applied a chemical to the drive. The chemical that we've used is called sodium hypochlorite. We applied it with our X-Jet, which gives it a 1 part chemical to 4 parts water. So it's diluted down, because if we use it neat, it can crystallise, it can damage surfaces if not used correctly. We've applied that first coat, scrubbed it in to agitate the area to really lift the organic stains which was on the surface. All that I need to do is wash the surface down, go over a couple of areas at a bit of a closer range with the lance to lift up any stubborn stains that is still remaining. Okay guys, we've completed the clean at this beautiful property in Sheffield. We've cleaned the decking, the concrete drive. We started with the decking, did a deep clean, went to the drive, did a deep clean on that, chemical treatment applied, washed that off, made sure all of the property and surrounding areas was clear of any debris that is sprayed up on anything. Noticed that they had 3 bins that were really dirty and green, so we gave them a quick clean. Everything cleaned. If you want to see more of my content, you can find us on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. Just search up Sprayaway Solutions and you'll see me there doing what I do best. Thank you guys.